Hey guys, it's Shirley here. So today I want to solve this problem, sum of left leaves. So basically, given the root of a binary tree, we return a sum of all left leaves. A leaf is a node with no children, and a left leaf is a leaf that is a left child of another node. So what I'm thinking of doing is using BFS to traverse through the binary tree and just basically finding other left leaves and adding them all up. So to start off, I want to instantiate a queue using the deck. The deck is basically a double-ended queue. And I want to append root. And so I want to append root, and then I want to append a boolean. So this boolean basically specifies whether the node is a left child, and since the root isn't a left child, then I'm going to say false. Now I'm going to leap through the... Oh wait, first I have to instantiate left sum, which is where I'm going to add the left leave values to. Now I'm going to go through the queue, loop through the queue, and I'm going to create a size variable that basically specifies the length of a queue. And I'm going to loop through that, and I'm going to pop out the node left equals queue.pop left. And if node.left, I'm going to append the children of the node. If node.right, queue.append node.right. And now if I want to add the left leaf values to the leaf sum, so if not node.right and not node.left and left, which is basically the boolean specify whether it's left child or not, then left sum plus equals no.val. Return left sum. Let's see if it works. Interesting. Cannot pack non-arable tree into an object. Let's see what happens if I create like this. Nope, that doesn't work. Let's print out this, see what the size is. Oh, I forgot the parents. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, let's see. No left queue is popped left. It should work. Let's see what print node is. Oh, I forgot. Yeah, I forgot. I'm supposed to append... Yeah, here it is. Okay, I got it now. Yeah, remember this step, if no.left, that means it's the left child, so you want to append the boolean true to this. If it's a right child, then you append false. Here we go. Alright, that works? That works. Okay, thanks guys.